May I request your lordships to look at the order of 3rd of July, because that is the order on which we have to place our point today.
3rd of July.
3rd July.
Is order of 3rd of July.
May I read it, my lord, if your lordships have it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if I may read. The instant petition under 226 has been filed on behalf of the petitioner seeking the following reliefs. Then A and B are, my lords, for quashing the examination, etc. But we are more on C and D because the lordships have noted it. To issue a writ for quashing the press note of 12th June 23, and more importantly, D, to direct respondent 1 to publish the answer key with immediate effect. For the petitioner outrightly submitted on instructions not pressing prayer A and B at this stage, vehemently argued that press note dated 12 February 23 has been challenged on the ground of not making available answer key to candidates, which is a gross violation of principles of natural justice. Therefore, this court has a jurisdiction to adjudicate the
So
grievance.
that objection and rejoinder both filed.
So they have been filed. So now I'll deal with it straight away.
Rejoinder has not been filed minutes. I have filed my preliminary objection.
We have filed it, but even if it's not filed, I'm not relying on it in any case. So that's all. We can.
Filed or not filed first?
No, we have filed it. I've got a copy. If he doesn't have it, then I'll do it without it.
You have not given, how would I have it unless it is given to me?
Whether I record on my record or
Have you filed it?
When have you filed?
My lord, it was filed day before, but
day before, then let the rejoinder come on record.
The copy be given.
no, that's all right. I understand. As I said, I'm not relying on it, but since it's filed, it should come on the record. I'm not saying no at all. Yes, yes. So, my lord, considering the fact that this was an urgent matter, would your lordship consider taking it up tomorrow?
Urgent, the court can't be quashed any press note like this.
No, no, no. My lord, forget the press note. I'm saying prayer D does not involve quashing the press note at all. So I'm saying whether your lordships would consider granting me the relief of making the answer key available is the only limited issue.
Answer
And they are saying
available, any order passed for mandamus passed to the
yes,
authority
yes,
concerned.
yeah, correct.
In presence of press note, can't be. The first we have to deal the press note.
I'm dealing with it precisely.
Saying.
Yes.
Therefore, nothing in the urgency. Press note.
No, no, I'll tell you the urgency.
I think every year.
No, no, my lord, the urgency is that if now already your lordships have passed an order after that directing that there can be no stay on the further process, absolutely right. Now, if, my lord, that next stage takes place as it has happened in the past and we reach another stage, then obviously they'll say petition infructuous, you've not been able to.
Saying.
That is why there's an urgency.
Going on since when?
No, this.
For last year also?
It was, but I was not a petitioner.
This year also, now you are challenging something. The press note.
Correct.
On the press note in existence, first the court will adjudicate the press note.
Correct.
Whether this press note should be set aside or not set aside, or illegal or contrary to the any provision or contrary to your right, fundamental right.
In fact, I'll go one step further back. First, your lordships will be satisfied whether they're on the maintainability. Then we'll come to the press note because their main objection is maintainability. Yes. So I'm going one step further back.
You have to cross 3-4 gates.
Correct. So that's why I'm trying to make an attempt to at least reach one.
Cross 3-4 gates. You have already filed the rejoinder affidavit.
Yes.
Let the rejoinder affidavit on the record.
No, it can.
I put this matter on Monday.
All right.
Yes.
Very well.
The counsel appearing on behalf of the senior counsel on behalf of the petitioner on instructions submitted that rejoinder affidavit, white ID number so and so, give the details.
We'll just give it, yes.
As you give the details in the
sorry.
it is also directed to pursue the registry to bring the rejoinder affidavit on the record for the next date of hearing based on Monday.
Would it be Tuesday instead of Monday, one day later?
Wednesday, Thursday, you should be in a hurry.
Wednesday minutes. Tuesday I have.
All right, Wednesday.
Fantastic.
2nd of August.
2nd of.
I asked for one date can be given to you. Of pleasure.
Item 5.
I'm